Make big bucks to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression for today, our money idiom for November of 2021, we're doing a money idiom every day, is about making big bucks, making the greenbacks, making money. Now, the term bucks for dollars originated in around 1748. In the 1700s, because of the trading of deer skins, which were called, buckskins, it became synonymous with dollars, the dollar. So a dollar is a buck. So big bucks is a whole lot of dollars, right? A whole lot of money. Conrad Weiser's journal is where it was first written up in 1748. And he was talking about going through Indian country and being robbed of $300, which back then was big bucks. And that's kind of where the term became really, really popular. So what does this have to do with growing and building and supersizing our business? Because I will contend that just because you grow and supersize your business doesn't mean you will necessarily acquire big bucks. It tends to happen, but it doesn't always happen, right? It's not guaranteed. I know lots of people that have huge, very impactful businesses, but they aren't billionaires, right? They aren't billionaires yet, or they don't even want to be billionaires. They don't care about the money. They care about solving a problem for people. They care about helping people, making the world a better place and making a difference. But there are ways that we can make big bucks by supersizing and growing our business. Franchising, licensing, strategic partnerships, doing acquisitions, buying up smaller players in our industry, selling more, solving more problems for people, charging higher prices. Those things we can do to make more money in our business. But is it about making money, just about making money, making the big bucks, or is it about making a difference, making an impact in the world? Only you can answer that for yourself and for your business. When I was younger, all I cared about was making big bucks, making the money. And I did. In corporate America, I made big bucks. With my businesses, I made a lot of money. I made big bucks. And the older I get, the less important the dollars are to me, because money is just an exchange of value. The less important that is, and the more important it is that I make a positive impact on the world. I don't want to be the example anymore, the bad example. I want to be a good example. I don't want to be the warning. I want to be a good example of what we can create in the world by making a positive difference, not being a warning for people. And unfortunately, in my career and throughout my lifetime, I've been both. Been blessed to play both roles in my experiences, and that's part of why I've decided I like to err on the side of good, not evil. Not that making big bucks is at all bad. The more money we make, the more we can make a difference in the world. It absolutely works that way, whether we want to believe it or not. Money gives us freedom to have an impact, but it isn't required in order to have an impact. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression. How do you feel about big bucks? And I'm not talking about, 8 to 10 to 12 to 14 to 16 pointers. I'm talking about the dinero, the dollars. How do you feel about big bucks and money? That's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, or if there's a money-related idiom that you'd like to know the history of and the meaning of, we can talk about that if you just let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow, and I will pick an idiom that has something to do with money, and I will tie it to how do we grow, how do we build, how do we supersize our business. Have an awesome day, and I'll be with you tomorrow.